Hi guys, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how add remove magnification on your VIVO Y36. To do it, in the first step we must go to the setting where we have an option shortcast and accessibility. We choose it, and the last part is accessibility. There we have magnification, which is off. We must change it. We click there and switch on of magnification shortcut. Now we confirm everything back by OK. And now we can zoom our screen. We touch there on our magnification and touch our screen to zoom it. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.